Change this up a little bit. So I have this old pair of boots, which the sole's cracked and worn out and is separating. And I've been watching too much Trent and Heath and Rose Anvil. So first I thought, oh, I could try resoling these. That might be a fun project. And then I realized I don't really like these boots. So they were okay, but I like he's eating the brush. I like an 8-inch boot. Ah, my dog's eating something. Oh, I got something good for you. Oh, see that brush? I don't want to say these were bad boots. They were okay, but I really prefer an 8-inch work boot.
Yeah.
So, let's see. Now we talked about the boot. Now we need to do a close-up of us cutting it in half.
This part right here. Yeah. These are the files that Daddy had.
Yeah. Ready to cut them in half?
Yeah, ready. I like that.
Well, I like taller.
Okay. What is it?
I don't want to cut you in half.
Why doesn't you want to cut me in half?
Because I was cutting with the knife and I was aiming slightly towards me. He's eating the brush. Well, he can have one of the brushes if it keeps him quiet. Yeah, well, it's not done yet there, dear.
Yep. It's in blue color. Cut it. Wow. Chicken, kiss this Mario. Kiss my Mario. Hi, puppy. So the puppy can attack the camera up here. What's this called?
That is called the insole of the boot.
Smile. What? Yeah. Yeah. Smile on the camera. The insole. Smile on the camera. Is the camera recording right now?
It is recording right now. Open it up. There you go, just like that. Now let's want to do that again. Try again. All right, now let's see what's inside.
Whoa. Yeah.
So it's pretty simple in here. None of the layers are very well bonded together. They're just all loose layers. We've got layer of this fiberboard stuff, a layer of squishier foam board, foam type stuff, and then the plastic midsole, and then the foam outsole. You can see they put in a couple of pockets for weight reduction and shock absorption. So have that.
Yep. have it ready.
It is lined. It does have this liner which is worn away. You can see a little toe wore it away there. Counter is some sort.
I'm gonna show the camera this boot.
Okay, you're gonna show the camera that boot.
Well, there's a lot of pockets for all of this. This boot is not what Daddy likes. Daddy doesn't like these boots. Why do you don't like these boots?
They're too short. I like an 8-inch work boot, a taller work boot. So these were kind of a mistake. They weren't bad, but they aren't great either.
Yeah.
So this fiberboard insole cracked and split. So it split along here. And since these layers aren't really all that well glued together, we were just relying on the strength of the stitches on the outside down to the plastic. So this toe started to blow out and it ripped here. So even getting a new sole, I would have to do a new insole too. So these would basically require like an entire new rebuild. But without these layers being stuck together, this whole outer sole was just being held on by those stitches. So after a little bit of wiggling, they cut through the stitches. So yeah, after a little bit of wiggling, it wore through the stitches, and then the boot toe separated. So it's an interesting sort of boot autopsy.
Well, how about when you watch more of my videos, you have to just hit this like button and watch more of my videos.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Could I watch the video? Well, here's this boot, and I'm trying to cut it in half, and let's see what's inside this boot.
Yeah, let's see. Where's my...
I've got mine.